Hello everybody, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In my last video, we have covered dynamic file name changes in destination, use of concat function, use of UTC now function. Use case part, let's say if you are getting file on daily basis and that file you need to upload into destination folder along with the current time date. So let me quickly go through what we have covered. Yes. So we have this ETL container. Under this, we have this input folder. We have taken this agent source and we have this multiple file, but we have taken this employee file and this file we have load here into output folder along with the date, time, and millisecond and all. So this is the pipeline. So here you can see the source, input file name, and sync output file. If you open this, you will able to see this. Now this is the code basically. So this code concat is used to combining all these, and UTC now is used to provide this year, date, and time millisecond. Now I want only year, date, and month. So what we will do, there is one function called format date time in Azure Data Factory. Let me search this. Yeah. So I'll use that function and load thus load this employee file into output folder along with the date only. So format date time. Now I will use this UTC now function under format date time, and then format is dd mm yyyy. Okay. So I will use this whole function instead of UTC now, so that it will return me only date, year, month. See, let me finish this. Yeah, this is the function, and publish this. Now it is publishing. Yeah, so it's published now. Let me trigger this file, and then we will see another file along with the year, month, date. It's running now. Maybe it may take 1 minute. Yeah, it's running. Let's wait for some time. Let's succeed. So if I go into the output folder, see, this is the file which is coming along with the date part only. Date, month, year. Thanks everybody.